Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon. So, this is the card for your moon energies. I will leave it here, and one card for your love guidance. So I will leave this card here, and one special fortune cookie card for you all, guys. We will see what is this card right after the reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first, Virgos. So we have Five of Suns in reverse, Prince of Suns, and Four of Suns in reverse. So today in your circumstances, Virgos, maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, you have a lot of things going on today, guys. Maybe you have many things you need to handle. Maybe in your work situation, you have people who are creating problems for you, and they are having something against you, maybe, guys, and they are competing with you, maybe, or they are quite jealous of you for some reason. So they are trying to create all kind of circumstance for you, negative circumstance, and it's really difficult for you to handle everything. And maybe in your work situation, maybe the projects or whatever you do, there may be something, some delays or suspensions you may be seeing, and something not going as you had wished for. So your expected results are not happening or not seen. So maybe in this relationship, guys, there too you may see some confusion, something, maybe you are arguing with this person and things are not going as expected. But you need to, for whatever this person is, maybe they are arguing with you on certain things, maybe you may have a little misunderstanding with them, but whatever it is, guys, this person would have helped you at some time. Maybe you would have had a very good understanding in the beginning, or you would have trusted each other, and today maybe you may see some difficult circumstances, but you should not give up that trust and love you have on this person. Maybe this argument or these quarrels may be just passing clouds for some of you, and you should have that uh, friendly attitude towards this person, guys, and whatever help they have given you, you should think of that. And your circumstances are changing, Virgos. Maybe you may have something that is worrying you today, but circumstances will begin to fall into place in this relationship. And you are someone who has a particular vision or particular ideas of certain things, and you are quite stubborn. That again may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship. That may be the reason this person finds you a very stubborn, headstrong person, not willing to listen. But if you can just listen to what this person is trying to tell you, you are going to find that understanding. So they are trying to tell you something important today, guys. You need to, wait. You need to really try to listen to them. Only then they will be able to communicate to you. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is 10 of spheres in reverse. So maybe in this relationship, time will tell, guys, what will happen, because the way things are going, it may be destiny, the reason for circumstances going in a particular way. So for some of you, there are chances for this relationship to last. Maybe you will overcome the misunderstanding and you will find a good understanding, trying to be really friendly. But for some of you, there may be some difficult things happening in this relationship. You are, I see something uncertain for some of you in this connection, guys, Virgos. So for your career situation, guys, we have 7 of Suns in reverse. So with this card, in your work situation, you are seeing some confusion. Maybe something may not go as you had wished for, and you feel that you did not know the truth, or you did not know the right way to do things, and that may be the reason for the way things are going today. So some lack of information given to you. It may be someone's mistake, but you are paying for someone's mistake today in your work situation, Virgos. So for your moon energies, Virgos, we picked one card, and it says third quarter moon. Adjustments are required. So in your circumstances, that was what we were speaking about, guys. Maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, your circumstances or your life is out of balance. Something is causing a problem. So maybe today you need to do things in a different way. So you must give up all that toxic emotions you have and move forward. And if you want this relationship to work, you need to make adjustments. So maybe you need to let go of the past hurt or whatever is troubling you. And if you want to move forward with that freshness in your mind today, guys. And maybe even in your work situation, there may be certain things you need to do, guys, because something new and exciting is around the corner waiting for you. So if you are willing to change the way you work in your work situation, you are going to be really successful, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards for your moon energies, guys. For your love guidance, we picked one card and it says loyalty. So this card just means that in your life, in your circumstances, when you are really honest, when you are committed to your relationships and obligations, you are feeling really strengthened, and you will feel unselfish towards the best interest of others, when you have the best interest of others in your heart. And that is the true sense of unconditional love, guys. So, loyalty means being steadfast in your motives and your unwavering faith in your ideals. So, are you doing this? Are you being really loyal to this person? So, when you are loyal to them and when they reciprocate that loyalty, you are going to have that unconditional love in this relationship, guys, Virgos. And that is going to make you a very brave, strong, and an honorable person. So, that is the energy, guys, with these cards. So, for your fortune cookie today, Virgos, let's see what it is. Surprise! A disappointment will be followed by a pleasant surprise. An invitation could bring love to those searching. So, there is what to say, maybe with the reading also we saw that you are in some difficult circumstance, but it's going to change, guys. So looks like something new and exciting coming your way, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment if you like this reading, and I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.